I have two of these King Hauler dump bed kits for sale. It's fit a standard Tamiya King Hauler with day cab modification. Both of them are identical, or as close as I can get to identical for handmade. As you can see, they don't have tarps. They do have my usual heavy duty lift system underneath, which is electric. It also has limit switches. These beds come with all the mounting hardware, including the rear bumper. As you can see, it's a number 2 bumper I'm going to send out with these. It's also part of the mounting system. Dump bed hinge bolts to the bumper, as well as the factory holes in the frame. Yeah, gunmetal finish. What else can I say about them? Not much. I've built dozens and dozens and dozens of these in various styles. They've been very reliable for a lot of people. All you need is a speed control to hook this up and have it dumping dirt. So it's very simple bolt-on. Goes right into all your factory holes between the factory cross members. There's really very little effort needed to mount this up. So anyways, yeah, like I say, I've got two of them available. I'd like to see them move. YouTube's giving me trouble because I haven't posted enough content lately, and they want to kick me out of the monetization thing, so I thought this was a good excuse to make a video. I'm terrible at making videos, that's why I don't bother. I'm not very good at speaking on camera. I'm not a good bullshitter, so I just build stuff. I'm not a good talker. So anyways, I'm looking for $1,050 US a piece for these things, plus shipping. If you're in the US and it's coming from Canada here, it's usually around $100 to $140 for shipping. That's express post, so it gets going pretty quickly. And yeah, anyways, that's about all I can say really. Mechanical latches on the back, they work off the hinge, so there's no need for extra channels or anything there. Simple, simple, simple. Heap them up with dirt, dump it out. That's the scoop with these. Anyways, if anyone's interested, let me know. I'd love to have them sold. It was off for a little bit, so trying to get some funds raised up for some new projects. Some stuff with the old CNC here that we bought a few months ago, and yeah. So if you're interested, let me know. You find me here, here, or here. Thanks for watching.